guys, so today we're going to do the activity chromatography. So the materials we'll be needing are a sketch pen, a chalk and a bowl with a little amount of water. So let's start. We'll be taking the chalk and marking a dot on it. I hope you see the dot clearly. Now what we are going to do is see the method how to separate the ink in this black color. What you need to keep in mind is that the level of the water in the bowl should be less than the level of the dot. So if you see clearly, I'm going to place it in the water. And the level of the dot is higher than the level of water. So we're gonna wait for a time. Till that I'll tell you what happens in this process. The water is absorbed by the chalk, and as it absorbs water, it takes the soluble ink along with it and moves upwards. This is how it separates the different colors. So as you can see, the water is moving upwards. Along with it, now we can see a blue dot coming and a little bit of red color. Slowly, these two colors are going to be separated. So this is what our chalk will be looking at the end of our activity. I hope you enjoyed my activity and got to learn something new.